So welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to see about the modal analysis, right? Modal analysisல என்ன அதாவது கேண்டிலிவர் பீம், சிம்பிளி சப்போர்ட்டட் பீம் அண்ட் ஃபிக்ஸட் பீம்ல எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறது. ஒரே வீடியோலேயே மூணையுமே சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம், ரைட்டா? ஒரே மாடலில் அதை எப்படி மாற்றி நம்ம ஈஸியாக சால்வ் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ கேண்டிலிவர், சிம்பிளி சப்போர்ட்டட், ஃபிக்ஸட் இன் சேம் மாடல், ரைட்? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல், வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை modal analysis? So modal analysis means identifying the natural frequency damping factor and mode shapes of a system in a dynamic manner. So that is important, right? The dynamics of a structure are physically decomposed by frequency and its position, right? Since the measured data can be in form of either frequency response function of impulse responses. There are a frequency domain uh, model analysis and a time domain model analysis. So here we are going to do a frequency based model analysis, right? So for example, when a steel bar is hit by a hammer, a clear sound can be heard because the steel bar vibrates at its resonant frequency, right? So if the frequency is matches, then only it is called as a resonant. So if a bar is oscillate at this resonant frequency, it will be found that the vibration amplitude of a bar become very large, right? So therefore, when a machine is designed, it is important to know the resonant frequency of a machine. So the analysis to obtain the resonant frequency and the vibration mode of the elastic body is called as a modal analysis, right? So obtaining the natural frequency and the resonant frequency, that is important for designing a machine, right? So free vibration of a elastic body are called natural vibration and occurs at a frequency is called as a natural frequency. So natural vibrations are different from the force vibration which happens at the frequency of applied force, that is a force vibration. So when the free vibration or equals to the forced vibration, then it is called as a resonance, right? So that is very important for design the components. So now come to the problem. So here the problem is obtain the three natural frequency, that is three vibration modes and resonant frequency in y direction of a straight line bar, right? So I am going to select three beam: cantilever beam, simply supported beam and fixed beam. So the sizes are given, that is the thickness of the beam is 0.25 and the width is 0.25 meter, length is 5 meter, and the Poisson ratio is 0.3, density is 0.7700 kilogram per meter cube, and Young's modulus is not given. Let us assume that Young's modulus is equal to 2.1 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square. So I am assuming that 2.1 into 10 power 5, and I also used to calculate this manually, right? And also verifying with answers. So how to solve this one? First we will start with the structural, and it is a beam, so we have to select the beam element, beam beam element, and the material property. That material property, linear elastic isotrope 2.1 E5 0.3, and the density, that is 7700, and in the model, in the section, in the beam section, common section, here the dimension is readily given, that is uh, width and the thickness will be 0.25. So here dimension option, we have a variety of option. Yeah, I am selecting the common section. In the common section, I am selecting the small rectangle, that is 0.125, sorry, 125, 0.125 selected. Now come to the modeling part. In the modeling, creating a key point and line. In the active CS, it is 1, key point number 1, the location is 0, and the key point number 2, the location is 5. Now, now create the line between these two key points, like a straight line option. So the line is created. Now come to the meshing option, size control, manual size. Here the line, all line. So, so I am selecting 20 division, right? And mesh lines. Select this line and click OK. So the now is mesh is generated. So up to this part will be a common for cantilever, simply supported and fixer, right? And in the analysis part only, that is applying boundary condition is differ for the three beams, right? So first here the analysis type which is in the solution, we have to select the modal analysis, modal analysis option, and we have a variety of methods to solve this problem. I'm selecting this block method using 3 or 10, so we can select as per our requirement, right? I am selecting the 3, click 0, OK. And in the load option, that is a define load, apply structural and displacement, this constrained option must be changed for all the three conditions, right? Apply all degree of freedom, this is for the cantilever beam. Solve current LS. The solution is done. I think we got the solution. And also you can see the plot result, that is read. First we have to set the read result, first set, and then plot result, deform shape, deform plus undeform. The first frequency will be like this only, and read result, next set, and come to the plot result, deform shape. This is the second frequency. So likewise we can change the frequency, and what is the value of the frequency. So click list result and that option. So we will get all the three frequency, right? 0.42169 and E minus 02 is the first frequency, and the first frequency, second frequency are the same, and the third frequency will get differ value. So this is for a cantilever beam. Now how to convert this into the simply supported beam. So now come to the solution part, define load. In the defined load, another option called as a delete, right? Now we have to select all load data and option, click OK. Now your load data are removed, that is the structural data, constraint conditions are removed. Now come to the plot, click key point. So now we got the key point. Now come to the apply option. Here I am applying through the key point. So here we have to select all the thing except Z rotation and all DOF. This is for simply supported beam. Here the line is also present. Click the line. So line is also present with help of a mesh. Now solve and check the answer. This will be for a simply supported beam. Directly the result. This is the result for a simply supported beam, right? And the fixed beam. Again come to define load in the solution. Delete all load data. Right now all the load data are deleted. Again apply displacement on the both key point, this key point and this key point, with all DOF, right? All DOF select. Now we have to solve. General post processor. So we will get the fixed beam value, right? This is the value for the fixed beam, time and frequency. And come to the calculation part. So this is the formula for calculating the frequency of beams, right? Natural frequency of the beams. So the lambda value will be varied according to the beam. So this is the standard value, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, like that varies for simply supported beam. And I have calculated the model calculation. The result is also matches. Thank you. So you also verify for a simply supported beam and fixed beam. Thank you. Thank you for watching.